is not your guru. They've all led you astray, because they've never been able to solve this problem or never tackle this problem. So, in observing together, we're going to discover why this conflict exists, whether it's possible to end completely, not theoretically, not for a day, end it. This conflict exists, must exist. I don't want to tell you because it becomes so silly. If I tell you, you'll say, yes, that's quite right. And then you are back in the... It isn't something that you yourself have discovered. You know what happens when you discover something for yourself? Psychologically, you have immense energy. And you need energy to free the mind of its conditioning. I quarrel with my wife, if I have one, or with a girlfriend, whatever it is. I quarrel with her because I'm a lonely man. I want to possess her. I want to depend on her. I want her comfort, her encouragement, her companionship. I want to have somebody who will tell me that I'm marvelous. So I'm building an image about her. And she also wants to be possessed, wants to fulfill in me sexually, wants me to be something different from what I am. So there is this. Each one living it maybe for a week or a day or years, have built an image which becomes knowledge. Follow this, please follow this. Knowledge about each other. Knowledge, may I go into it a little bit? This is serious. Knowledge is destructive in relationship. Right? If you once understand this, I say I know my wife because I've lived with her. I know all her tendencies, her irritations, her impetuosity, her jealousy, which becomes my knowledge about her, how she walks, how she does her hair, how she moves, you follow? I have collected a lot of information, knowledge about her. And that she has collected a lot of knowledge about me. So, the past, you follow? Knowledge is always the past, right? It's no knowledge about the future. Predictable, you understand? So I have knowledge about it, we have knowledge about each other. Right? So I have to inquire a great deal into the question of knowledge. What place has knowledge in life? Are we together in this observation? Will knowledge transform man? What place has knowledge in the mutation or in the ending of conditioning? This is conditioning. I have conditioned, I have conditioned through knowledge her, and she has conditioned me through knowledge. You following all this? We are together in this. We are observing together. Please, I am not teaching you. You are observing with all your energy, with your capacity to see this fact. That where there is knowledge and relationship, there must be conflict. I must have knowledge how to drive a car, how to write a sentence, how to speak English or French or whatever language it is. Or I must have technological knowledge. From a good carpenter, I must have knowledge about the wood tools I use and so on. But in relationship with my wife, or with a friend, whatever it is, that knowledge which I have gathered together, put together through constant irritation, constant separation, ambitions, this knowledge which I have acquired, that knowledge is going to prevent actual relationship with another. Right? Is this a fact? Or is this merely a supposition, a theory, an idea? An idea is an abstraction of a fact. The word idea, Greek, means to observe, to see, to come very close to perception. Not make an abstraction of an idea. Make an abstraction which becomes an idea. So we are not dealing with ideas, but we are dealing with the actual relationship which is in conflict. And that conflict arises when I have accumulated lots of information about her and she has inquired lots about me. So our relationship then is based on knowledge. And knowledge can never be complete about anything in life. Please realize this. Knowledge must always go with the shadow of ignorance. Right? You can't know about the universe. Astrophysicists may describe, but to be aware of that immensity, no knowledge is required through information. You have to have that mind that is so vast, so completely orderly as the universe is. Then that's a different matter. So similarly, knowledge is in relationship, brings about conflict. See